Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a little overview of a bag that I picked up on the Black Friday Cyber Monday sales from Coach Retail, and I have tons of unboxing videos from all of my Cyber Monday and Black Friday shopping on my channel. And the one bag that everybody was interested in me doing a video about, and I got multiple requests for it, was the frame bag from Coach Retail. This is in smooth Glovetanned leather, and by far it was the bag that most people were interested in me doing a little overview of. I don't think I'm going to be keeping this bag personally. I was planning to return it, but I wanted to get on here and show it to you guys who are really interested in it, so you can kind of get my thoughts on it and see it up close and personal. And most importantly, people were interested to know what fits in it, and also to see it in terms of mod shots, how it hangs on the body with the crossbody strap. So I'll be showing you all of that in this video. So this is simply called the frame bag and is aptly named. It is a pretty simple design. It has a frame closure here with this little clip, and it really resembles a vintage doctor bag style is what I would say it's most close to. Like I said, not a lot of detail to go over here. There's no feet on the bottom. You can see it's stamped here. All of Coach's bags that are Glovetanned leather are stamped on the bottom. And the one outside detail that this has is a pocket, which is right back here. I will say, because this leather is pretty structured right now, that it's hard to get in and out of this pocket. It's not the most practical pocket. I definitely don't think a plus size smartphone would fit. Maybe a regular size smartphone would if you had like a really slim slippery case on it, but I would use this mostly for like slipping credit cards or whatever into, or receipts, like small items while I'm on the go, and then I would just empty it out when I get home, that sort of thing. It's really not the most practical feature. And then it has a top handle here that actually has a really nice clearance for your arm. It's not one of those silly top handles that isn't that functional. This is definitely a functional top handle. And this one has this beautiful brass hardware on it, and that's really the standout feature of the bag, I would say. It's just the beautiful shiny brass hardware. It really gives me such vintage vibes, and it's a really classy and classic style. And then of course here on the side you just have the Coach's, their signature hang tag that they put on all of their bags. You guys know I've had trouble with these falling off, so unfortunately I've been taking them off most of my Coach bags and storing them inside. But if you want to risk it, this is a really pretty one because it has the matching hardware for the bag. And then inside you can see it opens up like so. It's nice that the handle kind of moves out of the way when you open it, and it opens pretty wide. So that's another great feature of this bag. If you're someone who hates a small opening and that really annoys you, this is a great style. It comes with a matching strap. Once again, very simple design. It's nice and flat and wide, which is great. It will carry the weight of the bag really well, and it has the matching shiny brass hardware on it. Let me empty this out for you so you can see. The interior is a lighter oxblood color. You can see the outside is their traditional dark oxblood, and then they just went a shade lighter in the interior. Really pretty interior, full leather interior. So you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck here. You know it's expensive to put a full leather interior in a bag, and then in addition, everything I'm seeing in here is metal. So they didn't put a plastic zipper here. This is metal. This is a metal pull here. It's really nice quality materials on the inside. And then here you just have a little snap pocket, but it's also pretty simple on the inside. So let me fill this up and show you what can fit. I've put a lot of stuff out here, and I'm interested to see if I can get this frame closure to work if I really pack this thing full. So I have a really large Longchamp pouch I'm going to put in first. I'm also going to put my umbrella and kind of lay that on the bottom. And let's see, let me put my glasses case, which has 2 pairs of sunglasses in it, so it's pretty large. Then I'm going to put a full-size wallet just to see if that will work. Let me make sure this is still gonna close. It is. So I'm already kind of impressed. I'm kind of impressed. Then we have a little hand sanitizer. We have car keys. I'll stick off to the side here. I have another little pouch I pulled out. even another like larger size. Let me see if this will work. This will barely close. I got it shut. Oh no, it popped open. All right, I'm seeing an issue here. So so I'm finding out as I'm packing this, the issue is you can't pack it all the way full to the very top because then this is not gonna close. You really have to think about only packing the bag about this high for it to close correctly and not keep popping open. All right, this is shut, but it is, ooh, see? Okay, that's annoying. That would annoy me. So let me take that out. I'm gonna take out my glasses case too, because I think that's just a little too wide. I'll put the pouch back since that's more narrow. So now I have umbrella, large pouch, full-size wallet, smaller pouch, keys. Let's see if that'll work. So you hear that click? That means this is gonna stay shut. So yeah, a little tricky to fill up. You really have to think about the closure when you're putting stuff in here and not make it too wide and not fill it too high. Otherwise, this is just gonna keep popping open on you and it's gonna annoy the crap out of you. I know that would annoy me. So let me put the strap on this and show you guys some mod shots so you can see how it hangs on the body. All right, here it is, the frame bag. First, I'll show you on the arm, since I really feel like this is how this bag should be carried. It really looks sharp hanging on the arm. If you're a satchel carry person, this is a great option. Looks great hand carried as well. I want to show you also with the strap. Now, the nice part about the strap is they've given you a separate area to attach it, which isn't attached to the handle, which is nice. And the fact that it's completely detachable is also really nice. You have the option to take it off completely. This is on the absolute longest setting. So I think that hangs pretty nice against the body. You do have this handle, which is slightly awkward. I would recommend just kind of folding it down in front, but then you're gonna have to kind of move it out of the way, getting in and out of the bag when you do it crossbody style, which is a little annoying. I wish they had made the top handle removable, just as they've made the strap removable, or make it loose enough that you can really bend it behind the bag and it wouldn't be sticking into your body like this. So just something to keep in mind. And also I'm 5'9", and this hangs pretty well crossbody, but if you were any taller, I think it would be on the shorter side. Let me shorten this up so I can show you guys what it looks like on the shortest setting as well. Like if, for example, if you wanted to do like a longer shoulder carry rather than doing it crossbody, you also have that option. So let's see what this looks like here. Here we go. So there it is as a long shoulder carry. And let me show you this short crossbody. Some people like to carry their crossbodies higher up on their body. And I think because of this handle, if you had any kind of lady bits up here getting in the way, they would rest on this handle and it would look pretty awkward. So if you're gonna wear a crossbody, I'd go long, and honestly, I think the prettiest way to carry it is really on the arm. Okay, that is my Coach Glovetanned leather frame bag in the color Oxblood. I hope this helped answer some questions for those of you that are looking into this style and helped you decide whether or not it's for you. For me, I just wasn't that enthused about it. I really like the vintage vibes. I love the hardware and the color, and I like the idea of it, but I think once I started looking at the functionality of it, with this handle kind of being in the way, the strap not being too long, I didn't feel like it hung great crossbody, and you guys know I'm not a satchel carry or an arm carry kind of person. I just kind of fell out of love with it, I guess I would say. The other thing that I want to point out is that because this is smooth Glovetanned leather, it is going to scratch pretty easily. This one came to me already with some scratches on it, and it did seem to be new upon arrival. So I think even just from people handling it in the warehouse and putting it in the box, it became scratched. So just if you're somebody that gets annoyed by that sort of thing, I might steer clear of any type of smooth Glovetanned leather and stick with the pebbled Glovetanned leather, which won't scratch. That being said, it is a leather that will grow softer and shinier and more rich with age, and it is very easy to condition and that sort of thing to kind of bring it back to life. So that's nice. Just some pros and cons to think about. It really depends on what you're looking for and what kind of pet peeves you have as a handbag owner. All right, thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will. I love doing reviews, unboxings, comparisons, all about handbags. So if you love handbags, I know you'll love my channel, and I hope you'll join me for some future videos. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.